Just received this. And here, we'll take a look at it. Yeesh. Well, the receiver's not so good. Jeez. Grips look great, like really great. Yeah, this thing didn't have a lot of use before they killed it. Yeah, this bolt is practically brand new. This is completely fucked, but luckily you can make mini Uzi trunnions from full-size Uzi trunnions, and I got plenty of those. Yeah, good luck with that. Wow. Yeah, that's in pretty good shape. It's a real IMI gun. Barrel thoughtfully torched to hell. Yeah, all in all, not too bad if you've got some receiver sections. This isn't too tough of a rebuild. It's got really good condition parts, so I like it.